This 2026 CrossRoads Sunset Trail ST331BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, skylight, oven, microwave, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, slide out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 CrossRoads Sunset Trail ST331BH is 9,045 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.